Odofo Mijisa Hoye. Ama Kwaba Emra Adom TV, Yawadioye. Jumede way and Cransha Jumedi. Now, some for Nita Cotegum, Yamamido Chami. Also within the saying, Mate, Onyamian Shiramao. Onyamao Koso, Namin Pejao. Na Oma Jumede Abidi ye and Mao. Baby, I shall send Rano on Pejao. Now, Kunim de and yet I yenum am also. Minima dream what you pay. But what dream be dream the Yahu. Dream the a show crown. Na dream the a dear Nijaba Brown. Neja and your my yabe grown now. Now, Braba Yabo, what dream anyone casa. What dream the Boko baby Awoko. And ya dream Unani a junior a boy. It is not everything thinking pattern which is helpful to us. What the also on a pay, a minyanka Mayasika, a wajine. Me shortcut. There's no shortcut to success. Hwishima dear, in fact, we be a ma. We are branching about what's on a pay. Besides, what are the processes? Kwambe suna penny fire ye. Kwambe suna mefa me so mefa so ye. Yes, between me na me do blender life. Me di she mo na ma yam there be. Life comes through systematic and methodical processes. There's a moment you will fail. There's a moment you make mistakes, but these things are made for you to learn. Sometimes it can be motivating. One person says we show him crying. I do remember I person there, but I can't say, oh no, show him crying. Not take control over what you are thinking. I'm not trying to Montoya, and I'm not sorry. I can't stop and say, how do I learn to be able to do it? People have been to me yet. Catch a hejina. Nakajon said, then I met him, I assume I met him, Amamayo. And now I don't know. Kajon said, I'll find out and know it. Minim. Kajon said, make sure I met my first one, Namahuno. People say, with the head, they say, Mayo. Kajon said, it is a challenge and I can make it happen. With the air consider, I met him, Amanaye. Sorry, I am worried that I will fail. Man can be that. Catch on say, if I do my best, good things will happen to me. Say me yet the sefata. And my papa see my brabum. Well, cause on a person, me dem ye good enough. Me couldn't ye good enough. Me man ye good enough. Mari ye good enough. Stop saying that. I can get better. I can do better things for my life. My marriage can become better. My spouse and my children can become better. Ubu and a person say, I'm not ready. I need more time to know more. Don't ever say you're not ready. There's no time to start than now. Because the time to start is today. I need to prepare, have the knowledge required, get the skills required, and get the support from wise men and women required. There's no time to start that now. And then, there's a chona munchobi. Ope a nipa bet me a dine wom. Nyansafo. Anyone a besho who crying. And nipa bet me crying first. One kasa. The first motivator to your life is you. And then, metimi ayo. And then, metimi aka. And then, metimi ajinano. Namaka debi to aniha. Namaka ane to a jumapa. Namaka debi to a time. Namaka ane to a do. Namaka debi to empo de enye. Namaka ain atu de ye. You can be better today. Enye easy. But always try to spot the negative thinking patterns. Adwene ba adwene poso enye no catch and say emne do ese me jawo. You need to think positively. It's important to catch your thoughts. It's important to catch your beliefs. It's important to catch the mental pictures on your mind and evaluate them and reframe them. So be here, adwina wo dwene no, dwene ho mpre no. Na bi sa say, adwina me dwene e kenya me ana ehye me so. Adwina me badwene ehye me so ana empo eba ba so ma me ye de. Adwina badwene atinka ba na de bra me. E bia wa hia ni tekotego. Adwina badwene fa me ho ba abufo beba otim da bi da. Dwene adwene eba ma wa pemasem. Na sabe o time a me nie o time a time kwa o time na o time na firi mu Obi ye wa de bone. What the otaya asheumu, when you bear grudge, you suffer than the person you are bearing grudge against. What the otaya sheumu or your dinner too, when they kunwo, as in the pana, otano no. And the adrian wodrino, say a buffo, watahuno, and ye odi adrian, wouldn't enya war. Tugu, nano ne de wa, a tremu, and they wo 2 minutes of it massacre nemu, nado or do ama wankasa ho, abu bra a de and the jabber. Catch on say, I will live my life to the time that my test become a testimony. Maybe me bra ko simbra mi sohwe e de input you bra me. I live my life that my trials become triumphs. I live my life that the scars of my life shall become stars. Empoko try de to my dwen proso. Atinkafi de ma me no mebu bra ko simbra ma bra bo be se ensroma. Every limiting factor in your life came to help you to progress to the next stage. Every limiting factor in your life came to support you to know what is right from what is wrong. Adie bi a sha so nne no, e ba say be kenyan na waye nia esefata. Failure and success are all printed on your mind. You have to choose one. Ye die eni nkuguo. Eni je ni awerho. So what did American na say? Papa ne bone Wodone etan ensekuo ni sempa empuntio ni seye wona abesemo yi baako me mpa abone se ne dey obeja de enyo na wama wadwene asemu ayi de ye efa wa ho efa obi ho efa wo man ho efa wa brabo ho na he de beba na ene dey se woto ade a mesubampa eni ukan makasapa enu kan matenkapa enu kan se ni obi di nkita ho a sa na esa oye no so de te bia da bedua no una bedi kan atwa onyame kan ho wate onyame hira wate onyame mesuba mpa na adwempa entongo adwen proso na one ye nso dua papa na nyemfa so de mfa ma wo abusua no oman aha na meja wo ediam nyiso eye ni tekotego me da se onya mre ehwe me na me na Adom TV adwumafo nyina ase woni ebo machi dom camera sound Frank camera Thomas MCR floor lighting ena Randolph ena Ejawebek o men producers oso onya akwan hwe me no onyame entina